Kalamera, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to discover the captivating world of Keftedes, those mouth-watering Greek meatballs we all adore. But there's a twist. We're going to unveil some incredible unknown facts about these delicious delights. So, get ready for a journey through Greece's culinary treasures. But before we dive in, if you're as passionate about exploring hidden culinary gems as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our delectable discoveries. Let's start our Keftedes adventure by traveling back in time. Did you know that Keftedes have a rich history that dates back to ancient Greece? Keftedes are a culinary legacy that has been passed down through generations. These flavorful meatballs were enjoyed by the ancient Greeks and have evolved into the beloved dish we know today. Now, let's explore the essential ingredients that give Keftedes their exquisite taste. Ground meat, often a combination of beef and pork, forms the heart of Keftedes. But it's the aromatic blend of spices, including oregano, mint, and garlic, that truly elevates these meatballs to another level. In a small bowl, combine the breadcrumbs and milk. Mix the meat and ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef and pork. Add the finely grated onion, minced garlic, chopped parsley, mint, and oregano to the meat mixture. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your taste. Add the soaked breadcrumb mixture to the meat mixture. Crack an egg into the mixture, which acts as a binding agent. Use your hands to thoroughly mix all the ingredients together. Shape the Keftedes. Take a small amount of the mixture and roll it between your palms to form small, round meatballs. You can make them slightly larger if you prefer. Shaping Keftedes is a skillful art that requires precision. The process of forming these meatballs is more intricate than it may seem. In a large skillet or frying pan, heat enough olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan over medium-high heat. You want the oil to be hot but not smoking. Fry the Keftedes. Carefully place the Keftedes in the hot oil, ensuring they don't touch each other. Fry them until they're golden brown and cooked through, which typically takes about 3-4 minutes per side. After frying, transfer the Keftedes to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve and enjoy. Serve the Greek Keftedes while they're still hot. They're delicious on their own, with a squeeze of lemon, or alongside some tzatziki sauce for dipping. Greece is a land of diverse flavors, and Keftedes are no exception. There are regional variations that offer unique twists on this classic dish. From the hearty Keftedes of Crete, spiced with local herbs, to the lemon-infused Keftedes of the Ionian Islands, Greece's culinary map is painted with Keftedes diversity. Keftedes aren't just a meal. They're a symbol of Greek hospitality and celebration. They often take center stage during festive gatherings and cultural events. Sharing Keftedes is a time-honored tradition, uniting families and friends over the love of food and Greek culture. Keftedes have their own set of rituals and traditions associated with them. In some regions of Greece, Keftedes were prepared with secret family recipes, passed down from one generation to the next. These rituals create a deep sense of connection to Greek heritage and the joy of preserving culinary traditions. Keftedes are often served with a tantalizing dipping sauce, usually tzatziki. This creamy blend of yogurt, cucumber, and garlic adds a refreshing contrast to the savory meatballs. It's the harmonious marriage of flavors between keftedes and tzatziki that elevates this dish to a gastronomic delight. For those who prefer plant-based options, there's a vegetarian version of keftedes that's just as flavorful. These vegetarian keftedes use ingredients like chickpeas and lentils, making them a delicious meatless alternative. Vegetarian keftedes have gained popularity among those seeking a plant-powered twist on this beloved Greek dish. Keftedes have not only stood the test of time but have also evolved to embrace modern culinary trends. They're often featured in modern Greek fusion dishes. Keftedes hold a special place in Greek weddings. These savory meatballs are often served as part of the wedding feast, symbolizing the joy and togetherness of the newlyweds. They are a delicious way to celebrate the union of two hearts and create lasting memories with loved ones. They've been mentioned in various Greek novels, poems, and stories, reflecting their significance in Greek culture. Authors have used keftedes as a symbol of comfort, nostalgia, and the shared joys of family gatherings. Keftedes are often enjoyed with various accompaniments. Whether served on a platter or in a pita, they pair wonderfully with Greek classics like moussaka, Greek salad, and lemon potatoes. It's the harmonious combination of flavors that makes a Greek meal truly unforgettable. They can be enjoyed hot or cold, as appetizers, main courses, or even as additions to soups. From mini keftedes to giant keftedes, there's a variation to suit every occasion and preference. Similar dishes can be found in neighboring countries, each with its unique twist. It's a testament to the lasting impact of keftedes on the wider Mediterranean culinary landscape. And there you have it, folks. Greek keftedes are not just a dish, they're a celebration of love, literature, and the rich flavors of the Mediterranean. If you have more hidden gems about keftedes to share or your own keftedes stories, please leave them in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow food enthusiasts. Until our next culinary adventure, keep savoring the delightful treasures of Greece and beyond.